Come on, find this letter. What is this letter? Come on, kids. What is this letter? A. A for apple. A for apple. What is this letter? A. A for apple. A for apple. What is this letter? A. A for apple. Come on, kids. Find the next letter. What is this letter? G. G for grapes. 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 Come on, next letter. What is this letter? E. E for elephant. 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 E for elephant.